Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the European Girls Mathematical Olympiad 2012, problem number 3. So we wish to find all functions from real numbers into real numbers such that f of y times f of x plus y plus f of x equals 4x plus 2 times f of x plus y for all real numbers x and y. So we've got a functional equation. My hints for this equation: try setting some values, for example set y equals 0 and see what you get there. Then think about surjectivity or injectivity of our function. And finally, it may be beneficial to substitute a new variable for x plus y. So let's say x plus y equals z. So okay, give this problem a try and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so I hope that you've managed to solve this this problem. So first of all, let's set y equals 0. Set y equals 0. What do we get then? Well, we have f of x equals 4x. And let's notice that this function 4 times x is a bijection, but I will only need surjectivity. So let's write that it is surjective. And that means that by a well-known fact, if you are watching my videos, you probably know that from other functional equations video. If composition of two functions is surjective, the outer function has to be surjective as well. That means that f is surjective. Very well. Very well. And now let's make the following substitution. So now let maybe I write it in blue. Let y be equal to z minus x, where x and z are arbitrary real numbers. Now we get the following: f of z minus x, x plus y, it becomes z, plus f of x equals 4 times x plus 2 times z minus x f of z. Okay. And now we'll make use of the fact that our function is surjective, namely by surjectivity of f, we know that there is some real numbers z sub 0 such that f of z sub 0 equals 2. Why am I choosing 2? You will see in a minute. So let's set z equals z sub 0. Then we get the following: f of z0 minus x times f of z0, but f of z0 is 2, plus f of x equals 4 times x plus 2 times z0 minus x times 2. Okay, and now let's simplify our equation. So we have f of x minus 2 times x plus 2 times z of 0 equals, and now we see why I have chosen f of z0 equals 2, because now on the right hand side we eliminate the variable x. We just get 4 times z0, because 4x plus 2 times minus x times 2 is 0. Okay, so now we have x's only on the left-hand side. Only on the left-hand side. And now we will make use of the fact which we have established at the beginning of our video, namely that f of x equals 4 times x. I will mark it asterisk by our condition asterisk. I will take my equation once again and I will put f of x on both sides, or I will apply function f on both sides. And now I have composition of two functions f on the left-hand side, and by condition asterisk, it's just 4 times its argument. On the left-hand side, we have 4 times f of x minus 2 times x plus 2 times z0 equals 4 of f of 4 times z0. And now, if you look closely, we can derive the following. F of x equals 2x minus 2 times z sub 0 plus 1/4 f of 4 times z0. And if you think about it, z0 is just a constant. This part is a constant. We can call it b, for example. And now we know that f of x equals 2 times x plus some constant. Okay, so we have now established our possible family of solutions, but now, very important, we need to verify it. We need to check if these functions really satisfy our equation. So verification step. Verification. So let's take our equation and just put our derived formula for f. So we have, let's recall, f of y times f of x plus y plus f of x. What do we get? We get the following if we put 2x plus b instead of f of x. Y times 2x plus 2y plus b plus 2 times x plus b, and that is f of 2xy plus 2y squared plus 2x plus by plus b, and after another application of function f, we get 4xy plus 4y squared plus 4x plus 2 times b times y plus 3 times b. Okay, and on the right-hand side, sorry, we had 4x plus 2 times y times f of x plus y. And if we put our formula here, we get 2x plus y plus b, and that is, I'm running out of space unfortunately, so add a new page. Perfect. And that is 4 times x plus 4 times xy plus 4 times y squared plus 2b times y. And if you look closely, this part is exactly the same as this part. So for this inequality, so for this equality to be always true, it has to be that b equals 0. So in fact, we have only one solution. So the only solution, f of x equals 2 times x for every real number x. And that closes our problem. So thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new this time. I hope that you enjoyed this problem, and see you next time. Goodbye.